Hello, 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 everyone. This is Anita in the Biz Coach, and I am coming to you as you know I always do with everything grants. We found this one. I'm like, oh my God, yes, yes, my team member. He's doing an awesome job bringing these awesome opportunities so that you all can apply, you can get educated, you can learn about how to run your businesses, your nonprofits, being an entrepreneur, and all those great things. Okay. So, this opportunity here is by Blavity, if I'm saying that right, .org. And this organization is offering opportunities to Black entrepreneurs and Black small businesses and Black creatives. All right. So they have a fellowship and they have three focus areas that you can see if you fall in. All right. So as we look and we go here and kind of investigate it a little bit, you have some information here on the page. It tells you about their program, that it's a 4-week virtual fellowship focused on the following areas of training. So they'll be talking about fundraising and VC, venture capitalism, or capital 101. All right. And they have a company there that's going to be sharing that information. They're also going to be talking about leveraging data and technology, as well as media pitching, PR, and creative branding. All right. So as you can see here towards the bottom, they are talking more about the grant. They said that the fellows, that means if you are accepted into the program, you can earn up to $9,000 for participation in this fellowship. There's $1,000 per workshop that you attend, fully sponsored ticket to the CEO spring break, and that's valued at $3,000. And then they also give you a $2,000 travel stipend to cover the cost of traveling to their CEO spring break event. All right, this sounds like an awesome opportunity if you are looking for to expand, your nonprofit, your business, or what have you. If you qualify for this, all you would have to do is to click on the apply now button. All right. So we're going to go there real quick, and they got a timeline here. You guys, if you follow me, you know I talk about timelines all the time, and they have their own timeline here. This is an idea of, what a timeline could look like when a grant asks for it from you. All right, you're telling us and showing us what you're going to do in February, all the tasks and activities that's going to be happening, what's going to be going on in March, and that's falling in the first quarter. The end of the first quarter there is in March. Then they go on down, tell you when the fellowship is going to begin in April. That is the beginning of the second quarter. All right, going on through to the fourth quarter. They are breaking it down for us so that you can see what it takes and what it is to be able to apply for this fellowship and receive this funding. All right. So we're going to go ahead and click on the apply now button so you can kind of get a look at what that is. It's very simple. This is not, I repeat, this is not the grant application. You will never see a grant application like this simple, okay? Let me just tell you now, this is just a contact us page, landing page here, where you will be able to contact them to get more information. So they're going to, you have to fill in your name there, your email, how they can help you. So that might be through fellowship opportunities. So that would be including the grant, the partnership, that might be that you want to be a sponsor. Then they have general questions. You can ask those. And then it goes on down to the Black Gravity Spaces Opportunity. Not sure what that is, but I'm sure their website tells a little bit more about that as well. So I would just go to this website that you see here, blavity.org. All right, they have different tabs here you can click on to get more information. But first, the first step in finding out more if you qualify for this fellowship and the grants is to fill out this questionnaire, this contact us form, and you put a short message in there to say what it is that you're contacting them about, and go ahead and send that message. Okay. This is an awesome opportunity, you all, if you fall in those categories. Are you a Black entrepreneur? Are you a Black creative? Are you trying to grow your business in 2023? So we all know that we don't know everything. So these educating opportunities are awesome, especially when they're going to give you free money to participate in their learning experience as well as attend to their events in person. So I would say just go here and check it out. You see the website there is www.blavity, and that's BLAV as in Victor, IT as in Tom, Y as in yo-yo.org. That's bravity.org. I'm sorry, blavity.org, and / become a fellow. Okay. I hope this has helped you all. I pray that you are able to find the funding you need. I also hope to see you either virtually or in person at our Funding Your Future Summit, March 25th. There should be more information on this post or in this email, or however you're seeing this, social media or what have you. You should be able to get more information about it as far as the workshops, all the speakers. We've been sharing information on those. I know you all have been enjoying those because I have as well. And I am so looking forward to educating the small businesses. You as a small business, you as a CEO of a nonprofit, or even as an individual that just want to learn more about becoming financial literate so that you can make wise and informative decisions for your future. Okay. So until next time, I pray that all is well. You stay safe and continue to be blessed.